Hi, hello. What is your good name? My name is Jack. Great. What is your surname? It's Patrick. Where do you work? I work in a hotel. Do you speak English? Yes, I have good command on English language. Where do you learn English? I learn from different resources like YouTube, my friends, and during my job through books. Where do you like to drink coffee? I drink coffee in a cafe. Where do you have your dinner? I have once dinner at home. Where are you from? I am from Canada. What time is it? It's 9 p.m. How are you feeling? I am doing great, thanks. How old are you? I am 23 years old. When do you celebrate your birthday? I celebrate on June 10th. Do you live in your own house? No, I am renting a 3-bedroom apartment. How much is the rent? The rent is $5,000 a month. How much weight do you have? I weigh 100 pounds. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have. How much brother and sisters? I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. How tall are you? I am 6.2 feet. Are you married? Yes, I am. What is the name of your wife? She is called Anna. How many children do you have? We have 2 children, a son and a daughter. How old are they? Our son is 7 years old and the daughter is 4 years old. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Can you cook? Yes, I can. Used to cook quite often. What did you like cooking? I like cooking chicken salad and hamburger, shrimp. How did you learn to cook? I learned with my mother. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Do you like reading? Yes, I like horror story books. Do you like watching documentaries? Yes, I like documentaries a lot. What type of documentaries do you watch? I like watching animal geography and science documentaries. Which animal do you like the most? The animal I like the most is the tiger. What is your pet? Dogs are my favorite pet. Do you have any pets? Yes, I do. It's actually a dog. What is the name? My dog name is Max. Do you play any musical instruments? Not much. Whenever I can, I play some instruments. What time do you get up in the morning? I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. What time do you go to work every morning? I go to work quarter to 9 every morning. Who do you love most in your family? Everyone have a special love in my family. What day is today? Today is Sunday. How often do you come to class a day? I come to class twice a day. One time is in the morning, another time is in the evening. In the morning, I come to class to study basic English. In the evening, I come to class to study intermediate English. How long do you sleep a day? I go to bed at 10 pm and get up at 6 am in the morning. I sleep for hours a day. I use my full potential at work during the daytime. I renew myself during the night time. How is your English? At the beginning, I can't speak English well. I don't much understand when people speak English. Few months later, my English gets better and better because I learn and practice more than the other students. Now I can speak with correct grammar and pronunciation. How is your job? I feel happy about my job. The pay is good. Co-workers are nice. Manager treats workers equally. He is never biased. He always manages fairly. He isn't proud. He is friendly. How often do you do homework per day? I do homework 3 times per day. One time is in the morning before I go to work. The second time is in the evening after the class. The last time is at night before I go to bed. How long do you use Facebook in your free time? I use Facebook for about 1 hour in my free time. How long do you want to attend this class? I want to attend this class until I can speak English. I think I have to attend this class at least for 1 year. After 1 year, I will be able to speak English fluently. I will be able to study by myself without a teacher. Thanks. Dear listeners, now it's your turn to speak and practice. Play the video again and repeat with me for good fluency. Show your love by hit the like and subscribe button and drop a valuable comment. Thanks for watching.